Hello everyone, and welcome to the Box Institute's tutorial on how to convert your horizontal video into vertical video for use in YouTube Shorts, TikTok, all of those social media platforms. So this is a very easy way. It's not probably the best way, but it gets the job done and it's really quick and easy. So we're in DaVinci Resolve right now, and I have imported in here a video, short clip with some horizontal video for popcorn. And basically what we're going to do very simply is we're going to go up here to File, we're going to go to Project Settings, and we're going to basically flip these two numbers. So this is in the resolution of 1920 by 1080. We're going to turn this into 1080. And we're going to change this one into 1920. And then we're going to save that. And there it turns it into vertical video. Now, one of the things in here is you really don't want, because Shorts, YouTube Shorts and TikTok, they don't really care for these big sections here blacked out. So what you can do to fix that is if you go over here to transform and you double click that, you can zoom this in, and I usually choose 3.2. And when I do that, it brings it right up to where it can be easily seen, and it's in a nice vertical format. And you can see that you did lose some on the sides and that kind of thing. So when you are converting this, you want to make sure that the image that you're portraying is right in the middle of your field of view, because if you do this and zoom this in without that important information in the middle of your video, it'll be cut off. So keep that in mind, but this is a really simple way to use DaVinci Resolve to turn that into vertical content. So if you like this one, check out the next video.